Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, security system, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.